Hello students, in our today's e-lecture with the continuation of the chapter algebraic expression, we will learn about the multiplication of binomial with trinomial. One example I am taking here, 2 by 5a plus 1 by 7b. This is binomial, and 3a plus 4b minus 2. This is trinomial. So we will learn how to multiply a binomial with trinomial. Pick out the first term of the binomial as I have did here 2 by 5a and get it multiplied with the trinomial. Pick out the second term of the binomial 1 by 7b and get it multiplied with the trinomial. Now this monomial has to be multiplied with this trinomial. The method is same. This number 2 by 5a has to be multiplied with all the terms of the trinomial separately. 2 by 5a into 3a plus 2 by 5a into 4b minus 2 by 5a into 2. This negative sign, subtraction sign will between, because plus into minus, that will become minus. Now plus 1 by 7 into b into 3a plus 1 by 7b into 4b, and again plus 1 by 7b into minus 2, that will become 2 by 7b. Now multiply the number with number. 2 by 5 into 3, 6 by 5, a raised to power 1 into a raised to power 1, a raised to power 2. 2 4s are, this is 5, 2 4s are 8 by 5 ab, 2 2s are 4 by 5 a, 3 by 7 ba plus 4 by 7 b raised to power 1 into b raised to power 1, b raised to power 2 minus 2 by 7 b. Now we have to look out for the like terms. A square, single term we are having here. ab, ba, these two are like terms. So we will look out for their constant part. 8 by 5, you can do it in the rough, plus 3 by 7. The LCM is 35. 35 divided by 5, 7 8s are 56. 5 3s are 15. 71 by 35. So constant part is 71 by 35 AB. This is 35. Now A, that is single term, minus 4 by 5A, 4 by 7B square, and minus 2 by 7b. So this is your answer. One more example, the multiplication of binomial with trinomial. Pick out the first term 0.1a, get it multiplied with the trinomial, and the second term of the binomial 0.2c, get it multiplied with the trinomial. Again the same, this monomial has to be multiplied with all the term of trinomial separately. 0.1a into c, 0.1a into ac, minus 0.2 c into a, minus 0.2 c into c, minus 0.2 c into ac. Now 0.1 a raised to power 1 into a raised to power 1, a raised to power 2, 0.1 AC, 0.1 a raised to power 1 into a raised to power 1, a raised to power 2, 0.2 CA, minus 0.2 c raised to power 1 into c raised to power 1, c raised to power 2, minus 0.2 AC square. Now we have to look out for the like terms. A square, there is a single term 0.1 a square, AC, CA, these two are like terms. Just look out their constant part. 0.2 minus 0.2 plus 0.1, so minus 0.1 AC, minus 0.2 plus 0.1, so we will do subtraction, that will come minus 0.1 AC. Now a square C, 0.1 a square C, minus 0.2 c square and minus 0.2 ac square. So this is your answer. There is no other like term, so this is your answer. Now the next question is multiplication of again the binomial with trinomial, and we have to verify the result for the given values of the variable here. Now you can write it as, for your convenience, if you want to write it as like this, you want to write the binomial first and then trinomial, that hardly matters, because 2 into 3 and 3 into 2 both are same, so you can write it in this way also. Otherwise, if you want to do directly to pick out the first term and get it multiplied from to the trinomial, that is also okay. Now again PQ, get it multiplied by P square plus Q square plus R square. Then the second term of the binomial QR, P square plus Q square plus R square. Now this PQ has to be multiplied with all the terms, P square, PQ into Q square, PQ into R square. Then QR into P square, QR into Q square, and QR into R square. Now P raised to power 1 into P raised to power 2, P raised to power 3, Q, P. Q raised to power 1 into Q raised to power 2, Q raised to power 3, P, Q, R square, all are different. Q, R, P square, Q into Q square, Q raised to power 3, R, Q into R square, that is Q, R raised to power 3. Now we have to look out for the like terms. Is there any like terms? P cube, Q cube, no. P Q R square, that Q R P square, no term is the. Now we are going to verify. This is your RHS. Now I have already told you in verification what we have to do. We have to put the value of these variables P Q R in LHS and RHS. So what is LHS and what is RHS? We have already discussed in our previous lectures. Statement part is your LHS, P square plus Q square plus R square into PQ plus QR. And this PQ Q plus PQ Q plus PQR square, QR P square, Q cube R plus QR cube. This is your RHS part. Now first I am going to solve for LHS. The value of P is 2 raised to power 2, Q is minus 3 raised to power 2, R is 1 raised to power 2. If you want to keep it in bracket, P 2 into minus 3 plus Q minus 3 into 1. 2 raised to power 2, 4 plus 9 plus 1 minus 6 minus 3. 4, 3, 13 plus 1, 14 into minus 9. Minus 126. Now look out for RHS part. P cube Q, 2 raised to power Q into minus 3. P 2 into Q cube, minus 3 raised to power 3. P 2 into Q minus 3 into 1 square. Q minus 3 into 1 into 2 square. Q cube R minus 3 raised to power 3 into minus 1 plus Q minus 3 into 1 raised to power 3. I have put on the values of P, Q, R where it is. Now 2 raised to power 3, 8 into minus 3, 2 into minus 3 raised to power 3, minus 27. Whenever we have a negative number and we look at the exponent, if exponent is an odd number, keep this thing in your mind, students, the answer would be negative. 2 into minus 3, minus 6 into 1, minus 6, plus minus 3 into 1, minus 3, and 2 raised to power 2 is 4, plus 3 raised to minus 3 raised to power 3, minus 27 into minus 1, minus 3 into 1 raised to power 3, 1. Now get it multiplied. 8 into minus 3, minus 24, minus 54, minus 6, minus 12, plus 27 and minus 3. Now if you are going to add them, The value of r is, it's cube r, so it will be 1, so it will become minus 27 here, because the value of r is 1, not minus 1. I have kept it there 1. So now after adding them, minus 24 minus 54 minus 78 minus 6 minus 84 minus 84, if you want to keep it is like this, minus 12 into minus 27 minus 20 39 minus 42. What you will observe, the results are same. LHS is equal to RHS. So hence verified. We have verified the results that the value of RHS and LHS are same for the given value of the variables. So home assignment for today. Do worksheet 4, chapter 6 complete.